Swingin Hot Pizza. That's what we're doing. We're at Ben Lomond Lanes in beautiful Ogden. Now we're talking with Emily, the better half. Sorry, Rick, the better half of Swingin Hot Pizza. So, what are you going to educate us on this morning?
We are stretching some dough.
All right, walk us through it.
So probably your first step is going to be putting your dough ball in semolina and then docking the crust of your pizza.
Is that what Rick's doing?
That is what Rick is doing. He is docking right now. Just pressing along the edge of the crust
what does
to
that
make
do?
a rim.
Are you trying to get air in, trying to get air out?
It just creates the crust, just a little ridge around the edge.
So just a design then?
Yes.
Okay.
It's kind of the structure, the base of your pizza.
Will it fall apart if you don't have that crust?
I mean, it will be pretty flat.
Okay, we don't want it to be flat.
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Then he uses his non-dominant hand to.
Yeah. I didn't know it was so rigid.
Yeah,
the process is crazy.
It has steps.
Yeah.
So you use your non-dominant hand to anchor and your other hand to stretch around in a circle. You want to make sure the base of your hand isn't pressing in the middle.
So when they throw the dough up in the air, that's just for Hollywood? That's just a movie thing?
Oh, for sure.
Or do you guys actually do that here too?
We do a little bit of tossing the dough.
Yeah.
He's about to do it.
Oh, there it is.
But tossing the dough is mostly to get extra semolina off the dough.
Gotcha.
So that your pizza doesn't turn out too, like, crummy.
Okay. Nobody wants crummy crust. You know what I'm saying? I like the way she explained it. Now I understand. That's really cool. John, your crust is always crummy. You need to stop.
Then you always just sprinkle more of that semolina on your peel, and make sure that, give it a good shake so that pizza doesn't stick to the peel when you throw it in the oven.
What style of pizza, what region of Italy does this style of pizza come from?
So it's a New York brick oven. I mean...
Oh, it's a New York style pizza.
Yes, it's a New York style pizza. We do a couple of Sicilian pies with the square slices of mozzarella, but most of our basic menu is actually New York style pizza with the shredded cheese and...
deliciousness.
Yeah, deliciousness.
Yeah. All right, we're going to put a link on the website to make it super easy so you can find these guys right here. The next step, I guess, we're going to build the pizza and eventually taste it.